Science 5, the musculoskeletal system. Objectives. At the end of the lesson, you should be able to identify the function of the musculoskeletal system. Name the parts of the musculoskeletal system and their functions. Explain how the organs of the musculoskeletal system work together. Have you ever wondered which parts inside your legs allow you to move? Try to press the front of your leg. What did you feel? Did you feel like pressing something hard? Now press the back of your leg. What did you feel? Did you feel something soft? The parts you felt help you move. The hard part is your leg bone, while the softer parts are your leg muscles. Your bones are part of your skeletal system, while your muscles belong to the muscular system. And when they work together, they form the musculoskeletal system. The musculoskeletal system. The musculoskeletal system combines the skeletal and muscular body system. It includes the bones, joints, and muscles. This body system provides the form, support, and stability of the body, and allows the body to move. Parts of the musculoskeletal system. Aside from neurons and blood vessels for nutrition and communication, bones have hard, dense, and strong exterior called cortical bone. The cortical bone provides strength and structural support to muscles and other body organs. The inner layer of bones is made up of cancellous or trabecular bone. This bone part keeps the blood vessels, neurons, and a special section called bone marrow. Bone marrow can be yellow or red. Red bone marrows, found mostly in flat bones, produce blood cells. Yellow bone marrows, found inside long bones, store fats. Bones vary in shapes and sizes. The smallest human bone is the stirrup or stapes in the middle ear, while the longest and largest human bone is the femur. Flat bones are thin and somewhat curved bones. Examples of flat bones include the skull, ribs, and pelvis. They protect the internal organs, such as the brain and the heart. Long bones look like rigid bars that are not always long in the length sense. Examples of long bones include the thigh bone or femur, the humerus, the radius, and the ulna. They provide the strength and structure of the human body. Short bones are cube-like bones that provide stability and movement. Examples include the carpals, wrist bones, and tarsals. Irregular bones have complex shapes that allow them to protect delicate organs. The bones of the vertebrae that protect the spinal cord are irregular bones. Sesamoid bones are small, round bones that are found in the tendons of the body. The patella is an example of the sesamoid bone. The joints are the connecting points of various bones in the body to allow different body movements. Aside from bones, joints also include muscles, tendons, and ligaments. Tendons are strong body parts that attach muscles to the bones and allow movement. Ligaments are strong body parts that bind bones at joints. Fibrous or immovable joint is a fixed type of joint. It does not allow movement, such as those in the skull. Cartilaginous or partially movable joint. It only allows limited movement, such as those found at the end of vertebrae and between pubic bones. In these joints, soft, flexible but firm cartilages provide padding at the end of the bones for friction protection. Synovial or movable joints freely perform a wide range of movements. These joints include those in the knees, elbows, and shoulders. While they are the most flexible and movable, they are considered the weakest joints. That is why most musculoskeletal injuries happen in these joints. Muscles are special body parts or organs that contract to perform different internal and external body movements. They can be voluntary or involuntary. Voluntary muscles move according to conscious control or will. Involuntary muscles work automatically without your conscious control. Skeletal muscles are voluntary muscles that move when your brain tells them to perform, such as when sitting, jumping, riding, and standing. They move, contract or pull, when neurons stimulate them. Smooth muscles are involuntary muscles found in the walls of the stomach, intestines, blood vessels, and bladder. For example, your stomach continues to digest even when you are asleep. Cardiac muscles are involuntary muscles found only in the heart. They have the characteristics of skeletal and smooth muscles because they look like skeletal muscles, but they contract automatically. They help your heart to pump blood. Body movement starts when the muscles and bones receive the messages or instruction to move from the brain through the neurons. The muscle becomes activated. It contracts and pulls on the tendon. Pulling the tendon also results to the pulling of the bone. Now, you can see that your arm or leg is raised. The process repeats, allowing you to walk or move your arms. Practice exercise. Label the different parts of the joint area. Correct.